This is probably gonna be a battle. Yeah! What the? It feels so weird.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're here today with
Ori.
And Ori wants to learn how to do a
Varial Heelflip.
And I have no idea how to do that trick, so I'm just gonna do my best to try and help him. Okay, I don't even think we start with a heel flip, just go for it.
Okay.
You wanna do it rolling or stationary?
Rolling.
Rolling.
Stationary.
Why did I even ask
I could
that?
try.
Who is this guy? You realize I'm so old that I'm still skating a 7.75. What size is your board?
825.
825, see? That's what the kids are skating these days. Okay, varial heel.
All right, so far I know there's a couple ways to do it.
Yeah.
There's one where you keep your foot like this,
Yeah.
or you just literally just do a front shove.
Yeah.
But I see a lot of people put their foot like that.
Really?
Yeah.
On a varial heel?
Yeah.
Okay, this is outside of my wheelhouse. So let me see here. So this is what I would do on this actually. Yeah. I would stand still. When I do varial heels, I put my front foot kind of almost in the center, and I can feel the concave on like the crease of my toes. And then I just do it like a front shove.
Okay.
So I would do, I'm gonna pop it, flick it, step off of my back foot, and see if I can rotate it. Good, we did, and then put the front foot on.
Yeah.
That's why I try most tricks, learning most tricks.
Maybe I'll try that.
See if you can get it to rotate. What the heck? He's trying to play me.
No,
he's like,
No,
he's like, I varial heel down 10 stairs.
No.
That was good though. That was
Yeah.
a nice rotation.
Yeah, so there's that.
Yeah.
How do you flick it all the way around?
It just hit your leg.
Yeah.
If it didn't hit your leg, it would have rotated, which means you got to get your other leg out of the way. It was your back leg.
So I need to like jump.
Jump.
Maybe I'm just like going too fast and I need to like slow down and just...
Let me see.
I need to wait for that flick, I guess, kinda. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, that's right. That was there. That's what that showed. He's got the pop, he's got the flick, it did the rotation. His back foot is to the ground. Now all he would need to do is bend his back knee. This is probably gonna be a battle.
Yeah.
Like a battle.
I'm up for a battle though.
Okay, good. He's up for a battle. As long as he's up for a battle. So I'm gonna sit down and let him battle this out.
Bruh.
I'll help you though. I'm here to help you. Wow! Have you ever done that before?
I've not.
Wow, that's
I've not
good.
landed it.
But you've done that close? Like you've gotten it to rotate?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I just haven't like fully like committed and
Yeah.
landed onto it.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, it's looking good. So now I just gotta make sure I land on it.
Yeah, and this one is weird because it almost feels like you're like pushing the full weight of your body almost like into the ground and that way, which makes the board go a little bit in front of you.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can actually just like commit and land one. If I got this first try, you owe me 2 pizzas, Shay.
Okay.
Pizza me. So I really just wanted the pizza, but you're leaning back and then pushing forward. And then, I don't know, I feel like that's the best advice I can give you.
Yeah.
The only thing I can say is like, it feels so weird.
Yeah, it's a weird trick.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. All it is just landing it.
That was good though, you were above it.
I didn't like my feet though, they were kind of in.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that was heel flip.
One time Brian Arnett was teaching me laser heels.
Yeah.
And he gave me this advice. And I think that's what you were kind of meaning with your foot.
Yeah.
But the way his back foot, it would push, the way he would do the shove is he was going that way. And it would make the board spin more. So not like maybe fully like that, but like halfway. That might help. Wow, that was good.
It was high.
Yeah, that was high.
I really like that advice. Just like going diagonal into
Yes,
it.
almost like scooping towards the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so close.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay, that was good.
Okay, we're there.
It was full heel flip spin, half shove it rotation, landed with both feet. You're really close.
I know.
This isn't even a battle. This is too easy.
Yeah, I think so too. Looks like we'll move on to the tray flip. tend to like go in. I don't know why.
Yeah, that's part of why the varial heel flip feels weird for me. I feel like.
Yeah.
I'm still shocked that I landed that one. I'm not even gonna try another one because I'm not gonna land it, and then I'll feel stupid.
It's just a battle.
It's a battle, yeah. It's part of it. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa!
Right there. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
That was good. You're locked in now.
So what I did is I kind of just went in diagonal.
Yeah.
I kind of tweaked my foot a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
But I don't know.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel it. It's right there. So I'm like between two things. It's pushing it diagonal or just like tweaking my foot to the right.
Yeah. Yeah. Just gotta pop really hard and jump really high.
Yeah.
Or like scoop, I guess.
Yeah. Maybe I need to bend down more a little bit.
Yeah.
Right on the booty.
Right on the booty. I wonder let me see where you're putting your front foot. I mean, I almost don't want to change anything because you're like really good.
That's what I was thinking.
Try just a little bit lower. See if it helps.
Should I like move my foot up more?
No, definitely not. Yeah, let's try that. A little bit too. Okay, go back. Same as you were. Forget I ever said anything.
Just gotta lock in, that's it.
Just gotta lock in. Yeah. See what's good though, what I was saying about landing on both feet?
Snow angel.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Heel flip.
Yeah. It's right there.
I'm trying to think, what am I doing wrong?
You gotta like go like your weight is like almost going like from the beat from the back,
board,
and then it's just like, huh.
It's just a hard trick, honestly.
Yeah, because the way you're popping now, it's popping it like high and up into you, rather than like forward. Yeah, exactly. You got it. Yeah. Yeah.
It's just not flipping.
No, it's flipping. Come on, believe in
It's
yourself.
flipping halfway.
You got this. Yeah.
Right there was kind of weird. I was kind of leaning it a little bit forward here.
Yeah, try the opposite way.
I'm wondering.
Leaning back, because that gives you the like the push that goes in the right direction. Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
Yes, sir.
Crazy, dude.
You're getting winded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
That's the other thing. The fatigue starts to set in, and then you're like, you can be almost like you know what your feet need to do, but you're just like, it gets exhausting.
Yeah.
Which I understand. Yeah. You did kind of land a couple. The only other thing we could do is if there's a bar to hold on to.
That's true.
Which there kind of is over there.
Balance.
But I think you got it.
Yep.
There it was!
Let's go. Oh my god.
Okay, you did it.
Let's go.
That was good.
That was it. Should I keep going for more?
Yeah. Okay, 5 more.
5 more, yeah.
I mean, I think that was good. That was definitely probably the best you ever did, right?
Yeah.
I know you're exhausted. We'll try 5 more.
5 more. Oh.
Yeah. See, it's all about that. You get that scoop just right, and it'll just flicks just right underneath you.
And then it goes right underneath, yeah.
Yeah. See how he just lands no matter what? That's what I was trying to get you to do. You gotta just like force it.
Yeah, you have to fully commit. That's the hard thing about skating.
He's just been skating so much though that it's like already into like, he's just gonna land, you know? That's the daily skate. Yeah.
So at this point, it's literally just repetition and then getting the right.
Yeah, literally just repetition.
Yeah.
I mean, not even anything other than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You just get one good flick just like that. You want me to hold your phone or you want to set it down?
Yeah, I'll set it down. 3 more, folks.
3 more. 3 more.
If I don't get it, that's okay. Just keep
You got it already? No way. You're going to take it to a win.
Just keep skating.
Let's go. Yes, he's feeling it now.
All right, last one, folks.
Give it everything you got, though.
I will try.
You can't end on that.
I know.
More shove, more shove.
There we
Yeah!
Oh boy. Oh, good stuff.
Okay, there's a lot of progress made. What do you feel like you did that helped the most?
It's kind of weird, but it's like pushing my front
Yeah.
a little forward,
Okay.
and then it kind of like rotates more.
Okay. So you're like able to get more of like a better pop and a scoop.
Yeah.
With that pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is almost like a little pressure flip. It's like if you get it just right, it just flies around.
Yeah.
Okay, that was sick. Very well done. Woo. You guys know what to do. Follow him, The Guy Ori, on Instagram. Go follow him on Instagram, The Guy Ori. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I will personally teach you how to ride a skateboard. The link is in the description to Braille Skateboarding Academy. We'll see you in there. Let's get this.